For Saturday the 9th of February, this is Force 13's AU channel, where the tropical scene continues to develop, and over the last 8 hours another investors come on the radar, and it's invest 91p. Tropical disturbance CI7 has a central pressure of 1000 millibars located near 13.4 degrees south, 179.4 degrees east. And looking into the image, the cloud tops are really becoming colder. Cyclonic circulation extends up to 500 millibars and lies in a low to moderate sheared environment, and sea surface temperatures around 29 degrees Celsius. Deep convection has increased in the last 24 hours over the supposed low-level circulation, and organisation has slightly improved over this period. Now we have a look at tropical depression CI6F, central pressure 996 millibars, 21.8 south, 174.6 degrees west, and moving southeast at about 13 knots. Low level circulation centres exposed with deep convection shear to the east, cyclonic circulation up to 700 millibars, and lies in a high sheared environment. Sea surface temperatures around 28 degrees Celsius. The latest from the Fiji Met indicates that it's tracking south and won't develop into a tropical cyclone. Now we have a look at the upper level divergence. Wind shear, this is for the southwestern Coral Sea region. The 24-hour shear tendency. .850 millibar vorticity. And read tropical disturbance CI7 global models have picked up the system and move it towards the southeast. With further intensification, this is a Vanuatu Meteorological Services service chart, and look at the number of low pressure systems. We still have 96p. And in our next update we'll bring the latest information on that. Now we have a look at the NOAA floaters on 91p. And as mentioned earlier, when you see that amount of white and the black, it represents that the cloud tops are cooling. And I think Force 13's main channel will be going live in a couple of hours. We have Tropical Cyclone Elena and Fanini over there in the Southwest Indian Ocean region. Sea surface temperatures around 29 degrees to 31 Celsius. The Fiji service chart. And you can see tropical disturbance CI7, CI6 and 96p. Now we have a look at some tracks on 91p, and it's far too early to say whether these two systems are going to track down towards the North Island of New Zealand. and 91p, a couple of the tracks, and the Fiji radar, and 91p is to the north of Suva. And this is 06 or 90p. And as mentioned, Fiji doesn't have it developing into a TC. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's not on board. Tropical Cyclone Formation Probability Guide. Now we turn to the local scene, and we start off with the GFS wind probability model. This is from 7 AM through to 1300 hours tomorrow. Instability. The Bureau of Meteorology has a gale warning in place for the Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden case. Strong wind warning, Sydney close waters for Byron, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter case. Gale warning, Port Phillip Bay, West Coast, Central case. Central Gippsland and East Gippsland case. And storm probability, strong wind warning for the Western Port, Gippsland Lakes. Strong wind warning for the Torres Strait Peninsula case. Gale warning for the northwest coast, Tasmania, central north coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, upper east, lower east, southwest, central west coast, strong wind warning in Tasmania. And finally, in this update, a look at the precipitation. The scale is at the bottom of the screen, and we'll have a look at what the Bureau is saying via their 12-hour and 24-hour rainfall outlook later on.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.